ready for a Smoky Mountain snow day! It is snowing in the Smoky Mountains and we are so excited.
It is happening. It is coming down. Last time we got to play in snow like this, it was during the night in Gatlinburg. So this is exciting, seeing it during some daylight.
Yeah, today is Friday, January 10th. This snowstorm is sweeping across the United States. It's finally reached us here in the Smokies and we're gonna go out, hang out in Pigeon Forge and try to see it, play in it. We'll see what happens.
Yeah, and we have a friend in town actually too.
And he's never seen snow before.
So we're really excited for him to enjoy this experience with us. And we hope you all enjoy hanging out with us today too.
Let's go have
if
some.
you are new to our channel, welcome. We are best friends who live in our RV and we are spending our winter in the Pigeon Forge and Gatlinburg area of Tennessee.
All right, let's go have some fun.
I'm so excited.
It's coming down. Love it. Lucy's getting some snow. Hasn't happened very often, but oh, you want to know a fun story? We got home last night from picking our friend up from the airport.
Oh my god.
And it was 19 degrees out.
Yeah.
And we came to go into our door. It's a passcode, and it wouldn't unlock. It was frozen. Frozen.
We have a secret way to get in, so luckily that works for us. But if not, I don't know what we would have done.
I have no idea.
It was
We would have had to go get a hotel room.
And we had a crock pot plugged in.
Oh yeah, with a crock pot meal going for us.
It was scary for a minute, but our marriage plan worked, but I don't know what we would have done. We've never experienced anything like that before.
The snow's sticking to the ground.
Holy moly.
It's literally only been snowing a couple minutes and look at our old smoky towel. We had a spill yesterday, so we cleaned it up with this towel and threw it outside, and yeah, that's where it stayed. It's now frozen to the chair. But how fun. Wow. It is sticking to the ground. Mikey's seen snow for the first time.
Amazing.
This is our Florida friend, and
I've never seen snow. This is like amazing.
never seen snow. I love that we get to experience it with you for the first time. He literally came here just because this storm was coming. Not to see us, just to see the snow.
And possibly get stuck here.
You wish. He's like, I don't want to go back to work. I just want to play in the snow.
Right?
But I love that it's sticking. Maybe we'll get enough to make a snow angel.
Yeah.
Oh, this is amazing.
I wonder how many inches we're really gonna get.
I don't know.
We're talking like 3 to 5 in this area. We'll see.
We shall see. But we're not used to like driving in the snow and stuff like that, so.
Not at all. So I don't know. We may venture out. We'll see how we feel. Stay tuned.
You try to catch it?
I wish it tastes like ice cream.
We can make snow cream. Do you know what snow cream is?
Isn't it like sugar and
Yeah,
milk
like
and
sugar and
ice?
like cream and snow. You gotta get like the fresh like layer of snow, and then you make snow cream.
Yeah, let us know if you've done it.
I know. Should we try that? I don't know if we'll get enough of that. But,
Right, I guess we'll.
But apparently
We'll just see
you
what
can
happens.
get like worms from eating snow and stuff like that, but I ain't scared. Even our Smoky Mountain bear is enjoying the snow today. Are you cold? Is this so pretty or what?
I am so happy. Mikey is so happy.
Those of y'all that live up north and hate the snow, I'm sorry. I hope you find some joy in it through us.
Yes, and hope we can stay warm. But we're excited. We might be snowed in all day, I don't know, but I don't care.
We'll see what happens. But look, I love when it stays on the trees. It looks so beautiful.
Like a dusting.
We're walking by the creek over here at our park. And it is just so pretty. 2025. Can y'all believe it's 2025? Crazy. Mikey's first snow. So, okay, tell the people, how do you feel about your first snow?
It's amazing.
It's amazing. This is just so beautiful. So grateful to be able to experience this here in the Smoky Mountains.
It's really started to come down now. We're trying to like guesstimate how much snow we think has fallen already. I was kind of looking at our little deck patio here. I'd say it looks like almost an inch. I don't know. But it's beautiful.
We need a ruler.
Yeah. And it's nice because it's not windy right now. Otherwise, I think we would be,
I'm not even cold at all.
yeah, I think we'd be struggling. But right now, it's just beautiful.
It's truly amazing. I love it. The snow is still continuing. It's been a couple hours and it is beautiful. And I just looked on a TikTok live of Gatlinburg and there was no snow at all happening there right now. So I can't believe that this is happening here and there's no snow in Gatlinburg. It's kind of blowing my mind. Who's ready to get hit by a snowball? Oh no! We're gonna get. Alright, I gotta get more snow. Get it off the car. This is so fun. Alright. I caught it in my hand and it broke. It's on your head, look. Put your head down. Oh my god. It's like perfect.
You know what goes great in the snow?
What? A peppermint white Russian?
It's keeping me warm on the inside.
Keeping you warm on the inside?
I was a little desperate. I couldn't feel my feet anymore. But it just helped. One is all you need.
I got my ammo ready for the snowball fight, baby. Our Smoky Mountain Bear has gotten a little more snow now, that's for sure. I feel like we've definitely gotten a couple inches. And look at our Mickey head. How cool does it look like with snow on it? Look. It almost makes it look like a mini. It looks like the mini bow. We just took a break, went inside and ate some lunch, came back outside, and it is coming down so much now. This is so awesome. Maybe in a little bit we're gonna get out and drive a little around Pigeon Forge, see what is going on out there. But this is amazing. Mikey's putting salt on our step for us. I got Aaron with a couple snowballs. Can you tell?
Can you tell?
You looks like you got dreadlocks now.
Of snow. Thank you very much.
Oh, you're welcome.
I do love my Disney hat we got in Florida.
It's a goofy hat.
For snow.
She's goofy.
It keeps my head so warm with all these layers. And then you can tie it up.
It looks like you're gonna go skiing.
I'm ready.
Look how much our boots are sinking in the snow.
It's a couple inches.
Yeah. It's like, look at this. Just a blanket of snow.
Can I make a snow angel?
Make a snow angel? You're gonna get all wet. You got like sweatpants on. We don't have snow pants. But look at the tree. I love the way trees look with snow on them. Like, just so beautiful. Oh my god! Did it really work? Did it? She shook the tree. Oh my god, it's all over you now. You were already covered. Oh! Look at your hat. Wow, you're gonna be frozen now. We're Floridians playing in snow. This is what happens.
Yeah.
Look how beautiful this is. Wow. Our RV park's pretty empty right now.
Yeah.
This is beautiful.
Beautiful blanketed in snow. Like, ridiculous. Living our best lives.
I love the way snow sounds when it crunches under your feet. You hear the crunch? Oh, it's so satisfying.
It really is.
It's great. I love it. This is amazing. Are you having so much fun, Erin?
Yes, I'm a professional
We're
duster, snow offer.
You're a snow sweeper. We're gonna go head out, see what it's looking like out there. We've definitely gotten a couple inches here for sure. This is crazy. Look at that. Look at that. So is my whole finger. That much. We got that much snow.
All right, y'all.
Can anybody see the road? Because I can't.
Kim is just kind of guessing where the road is at this point. We're heading out. I don't know how far we're gonna go.
I'm hoping the roads out there are gonna be covered in snow.
This is all of our first times driving in snow, like snow that's on the ground.
Well,
so pray for us.
I'm gonna be safe. Don't worry.
30 miles an hour the whole way. This is what we're working with, y'all. We're going like 18 miles an hour.
Not even.
Just kind of feeling it out. There's not a lot of cars on the road, which is great, so we don't have to worry about, you know, a lot of traffic or anything. So we're just feeling it out. Kim is doing wonderful.
Oh, this is so crazy.
I know this is your first time ever.
Ever. And snow like this.
And this is our first time seeing snow like this in Tennessee. We spent a winter here before, and we just had, you know, little snow that sat on the ground, but it didn't pile up and stay like this is. So I guess this is a true snowstorm.
This is amazing.
Mikey's living his best life in the snow. He literally flew in, guys, just to, because we were like, it's gonna snow here this weekend for sure. Mikey's like, oh, I'm gonna come then.
And it was very last minute.
And he did it, and he's here, and we're so thankful because he had a rough day yesterday.
Yes.
A lot of delayed flights, so he waited around for a while, but he made it, and we're so happy that he gets to experience a real snowfall.
This is Pigeon Forge, y'all.
This is nuts.
Wow.
Here's a look at the parkway heading towards Gatlinburg. It is snowy.
This is so crazy.
And it's
Never
really,
seen it like this.
and it's really coming down now. Like, it's really coming down. I know it's hard to see because the windshield is wet, but it is coming down. It is 26 degrees, at least that's what the car says it is right now. But it's definitely,
everything covered
wow.
in snow. I hope I'm in the lane. I don't even
I know. Luckily there's not a lot of cars around, so I think we're okay as long as we don't spin out or anything. But I think we're gonna go see what the island's looking like right now, if we can find the road to get there.
Really? I gotta turn here.
Yeah, I guess you should go that way. Follow those streaks. Luckily there's some fresh streaks in the snow.
There's not like a medium here, right?
I don't think so.
I can't see anything.
Yeah, this is crazy. Wow, I can kind of feel it. Oh, I can kind of feel it. Like the tires going through the snow. Wow.
Like,
Right? You can kind of feel it.
this is the island?
We're pulling into it, yep. Mikey has never been to the island, so we're gonna pop his island cherry while it's a snowstorm happening in Pigeon Forge. That's pretty cool. Mikey, you're so lucky to be friends with us.
Yeah, you are.
We got the heater on full blast at the moment. It's a little chilly, but we're pulling into the island now. I don't know, do things like close around here when there's snowstorms?
I don't know what's open, what's not open.
Yeah, this is very new to us. We are not professionals. This is our first time full-time RV living in a real winter. Because this is apparently like the coldest winter in the last 5 years here in Tennessee. Because we were here a few winters back and it was not like this. So, let's see. Do you think the fountain's going? Can it go when it's so cold?
I don't know.
There's a dancing fountain here at the island and I don't know if it works or not. I don't see anything happening. Oh wait, I do. Okay, I think we need to go over there and see what it looks like.
I mean, the
I don't
Ferris
know.
wheel's going.
All right, let's do, we're gonna do a little wraparound. We made it to the island, all covered in snow. And the fountain is still making magic over here.
Bennett's barbecue looks a little different today. This is Pigeon Forge, covered in snow. These people are flying. I ain't got no Jeep.
They're brave.
Love this. Ain't nobody riding go-karts today.
It looks really fun though. If you could like bust through here in a golf cart, it would be really exciting.
I wish we could go sledding.
But cold. I know, let's find a hill. Well, first we gotta find the sled. And then we gotta find a hill. Came up on the little back roads of the parkway, seeing all these houses, their yards just covered in snow. It looks like we're somewhere else.
We're in a movie.
It's crazy. We are literally in a winter wonderland. We were thinking about coming to Mama's for dinner, but I don't know if they're open.
Mama's Farmhouse Kitchen.
Yeah.
Do you think they're open?
I don't know. Let's go find out. We had to pull over because the giant bear in front of the souvenir shop right next to Dunkin' Donuts in the parkway is covered in snow. And we've realized quite a few, actually quite a lot, our businesses are closed, restaurants are closed because of the weather. But look how fun he looks. Are you chilly? He's got to be chilly. Let me just give you a little look around. Everything is covered in snow. But there's still a good amount of cars heading up and down the parkway. I don't know where everybody's going because a lot of things we've realized they're closed, but people are on the road just like we are, I guess. But we are not driving that fast. We've been doing about 10 miles an hour. Michael! Are you having so much fun in the snow, Michael?
I am. This is great.
We're in a winter wonderland. Alright, I think we have like kind of like some sleet or something happening. It seems like little ice rocks are falling from the sky and bouncing off of the car right now. I don't know what type of snow it is or if it is sleet. We're not professionals. You can hear it, it sounds like rain. But it's little ice balls. And a lot of stuff isn't open, so I think we're gonna...
Yeah, like nothing is open.
Yeah, I think we're gonna...
Everything has like lights on, like it is open, but nothing
it's a fake
is
out.
really open.
It's a fake out, so I don't know where all these people are going. Because we keep seeing cars.
Maybe they're all just seeing the snow like us.
That's what I was saying earlier, like maybe they're just... But like, look at this guy, he's hauling booty.
He's got a Jeep.
I guess he can do that. No,
we got that.
we got a Nissan Pathfinder. We're trying to find our path in the slush. Can you guys hear it?
Yeah.
It sounds like little balls. McDonald's ain't even open, y'all, and that's new to us. We feel like they stay open during hurricanes, so. We come from.
Is Waffle House open?
Oh, is that the one place that's
Yeah,
open?
yeah.
Where do you see what Waffle House?
I don't know. But
Oh.
normally Waffle Houses stay open.
Waffle House never closes.
That's how you know when stuff's getting real, if Waffle House closes. But I mean, this is really cool though. It's, you know, the parkway is pretty flat. We can stay safe as long as we're going pretty slow. There's not a lot of traffic. But like, look at all this snow.
Look at Zolly.
It's just white. Oh, yeah, Dollywood. We only got one little short trip this season. But we do love Dollywood. I bet you Dollywood looks beautiful right now. Oh my God. It's gotta be coated in snow. We decided to pull over here at Fantasy Golf. We've actually come and played here and we had such a fun time. We met up with some friends, so we do have a video if you'd like to see it not covered in snow. What do you think? Like, that's a few inches of snow for sure. But it looks so cool.
Mini golf in the snow, anyone?
Oh, look at this guy. Look at this guy. He's got like a snow mask on. How fun.
Look, the water is frozen here where the Loch Ness Monster is.
I'm gonna touch it.
Like the top layer.
Oh, it's like slush. Look at it.
The slushy. Wow.
Oh my gosh.
This is so pretty.
Fun. I would love to come. I know it says do not enter, but we're not.
Play mini golf in the snow.
Look at the dragon. It looks so different, covered in snow.
Really? This is so cool.
Yeah.
You can go in the caves, hide from the snow.
It's definitely a winter wonderland right now.
Pigeon Forge, covered in snow.
Covered.
Winter, January day here in 2025. Can't believe it.
So, our plans have changed for the evening. We thought we were gonna go get some dinner. We realized things were closing, so we're like, let's go to Publix so we can at least grab something to make for dinner. Publix said, no you not, because they're closed too.
Everywhere is closed.
Yep, we didn't know the snowstorms, this is what happens. It makes sense now why the grocery stores are busy and everybody was buying up all the milk and bread. Because everything was gonna
It
close.
looks like they were open.
I'm sure they were.
They were.
But just now it's probably getting darker, it's getting colder, the roads are getting a little more slick. So we're gonna do what we can with what we have and head back home.
Kroger for the win. They were still open, but now the roads are getting all slushy.
Thanks for Kroger!
Kroger for the win, baby.
Kroger for the win!
For the win.
We made it back home and this place is covered in snow. Love it. Look at all this snow over here now. Wow.
So it's almost 5:30. It's gonna start getting dark soon. So we're gonna do another little walk around, little wrap around.
It's not supposed to stop snowing.
Yeah.
It's like 100% for the next 2 hours. So
It's just not very heavy right now.
look at Mikey.
Don't hurt yourself.
We definitely, I say at least 3 inches.
Yeah. It's crazy.
It's deep.
It's so fun to see all the RVs. Snow-capped RVs in the Smoky Mountains. What a really beautiful day it's been. We are blessed. But it's cold. Our Florida butts. How we doing, Floridians? Are we surviving?
I'm ready to sleep outside. Just kidding.
Crunch. Crunch.
Look at all of this snow. They're running the bases. We found a baseball field. This is crazy. Look at all of this snow. Should we make a snowman? None of us have the appropriate pants to do a snow angel. None of us want to get wet. I feel like this is the perfect snow angel. Hey! Are you building a snowman?
I'm trying.
Do you want to build a snowman? Is that 3 layers or is that just the bottom? They're not very round.
This is my snow termite mound.
It looks like a snow blob.
Yeah.
The snow's not like sticking together really well to like make a ball,
I
so.
keep trying to make balls and it's just not happening, so.
Alright, you gotta find 2 arms, 2 eyes, some nose. You got any carrots laying around?
I ate them all.
You ate them.
Shucks.
Alright, Aaron. What do
you see my pathetic attempt at a snowman?
we tried.
But I'm gonna
What, you're gonna do what?
kick him or something.
You're gonna kick him?
You ready?
Alright, I'm ready. Happy New Year! Don't you dare! Ow! I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you! I'm gonna get you! Got him! Yay!
How we doing?
Alright, to commemorate Mikey's first time seeing snow, you guys gonna do snow angels?
Yeah.
We're gonna go home after this, so we figured if your pants get all wet, we're just gonna go home and get change them.
Exactly. Alright.
Do it!
Oh shoot.
I love it. You did a snow angel for the first time. Okay, Eric, get up.
It's actually comfortable.
Alright, here's the snow angels.
Aww, they're beautiful.
How fun. Yours is pretty good, Mikey, for your first time.
It is better than mine.
You got wet butts?
Yeah.
Wet butts?
They got snow dingleberries.
Yes. Just stinks. It's getting dark and we have to head back inside to warm up. But getting to experience this snow has been amazing. Alright, we're gonna say goodbye. We had an amazing day. So great to be able to spend the day with our friend who's never experienced snow before.
And getting this amount, like this was so special. Even though everything's closed, we had a wonderful day. We're gonna make some dinner and relax inside and stay warm. But we appreciate you guys hanging out with us. Again, if you're new to the channel, we would love for you to join us for our future adventures. So please hit your subscribe button. It is free. We're spending our winter here in the Pigeon Forge and Gatlinburg area, and we'd love for you to tag along.
Alright, if anything else interesting happens tonight, we'll film it. If not, we'll see you in the next episode.
Good night, everybody.
Bye, y'all. So it's been a couple hours since we said goodbye, and the snow started again, and it is coming down heavy. Well, heavy for us at least. Everything is covered in snow. Look at your face. Look at yours.
And here's mine.
That's pretty funny. I know. Wow, that's crazy. Well, it looks so cool.
It does, and it was refreshing, right?
Mikey, you have to
No,
do it.
I feel refreshed.
Who cares? Hope it looks good with your beard. Like, stick it in all the way. Stick it down. Your nose. That's amazing. It looks so good with your hat.
It's so crazy. Yes, I feel like we look like the things at the Haunted Mansion. Like the bus that like sing.
Oh my god.
And this materialize. Do, 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 do.
I always wanted to do this.